The UK's first snowstorm of the season has caused widespread disruption, with up to 15 centimeters of snow expected in some areas. The Met Office has issued 3 yellow weather warnings for snow and ice, affecting the Midlands, Northern England, North East Wales and parts of Northern Ireland. Travel disruptions are widespread. National Rail has cautioned that cold weather will affect various northern rail routes until at least 2 p.m. on Tuesday. While National Highways has warned of severe snow on roads in the northeast and northwest until 10 a.m. Snowfall of 10 to 15 centimeters is forecast on some motorways. Snow has led to the closure of around 130 schools in Powys, Flintshire, Denbighshire and Wrexham. In England, particularly in Yorkshire, Derbyshire and Warwickshire, about 40 schools have also shut. Rail services across the East Midlands, north of England and North Wales are heavily impacted. Northern Rail has cancelled several services, including routes between Bradford Interchange, Huddersfield, Halifax and Hebden Bridge, until at least 2 p.m. Merseyrail announced that initial trains on all lines would run without passengers to assess track conditions. South Western Railway also reported disruptions, particularly between Esher and Surbiton. On the roads, the A628 across the Pennines is closed in both directions between the A616 Hollingworth and the A57 Flouch. Major routes such as the M26, J21 to J23, M1 at Leeds and Sheffield and M56 near Manchester are also affected. The UK Health Security Agency, UKHESA, has issued the season's first amber cold weather health alert for the east and north of England, the Midlands and Yorkshire and the Humber. Yellow alerts are in place for the southeast, southwest and London from 8 a.m. Tuesday until 6 p.m. Saturday. Temperatures plummeted to -7.8 degrees Celsius, 18 degrees Fahrenheit, at Tulloch Bridge in the Scottish Highlands early Monday, marking the coldest temperature recorded in the UK since last winter. snow-blanketed parts of Aberdeenshire, including Glenshee Ski Centre and Corgarth, as well as areas along the A939 near the Lecht in the Cairngorms. Ingleborough Mountain in the Yorkshire Dales was also covered in snow, while frost was visible near Clapham. The Met Office has warned of potential power outages and disruptions to mobile phone coverage in affected regions, with a slight chance of rural communities being cut off. Residents have been advised to exercise caution to avoid slipping on icy surfaces.